I ended up having a very quiet night last night. Yeah, the power went out here about 7:30 or something, so I think I was in bed by 8 o'clock, probably asleep about 5 minutes after that, so it's really nice. Had a really good night's sleep. I've decided I think I'll just stay here in Marpha again tonight, so I can leave all my gear here, just go for an explore on the bike, just take a little day pack. I should be able to enjoy the riding a lot more. So yeah, that's the plan. I'm just gonna do my morning stretches, go and get a bit of breakfast, and then hit the road, go to Jomsom, hoping to go to Kagbeni and also Muktinath today. So should be about maybe 120 kilometre round trip. So yeah, should be a good ride. But yeah, I'll finish up and see when I'm ready to go. Nice one. So I've had a bit of breakfast, packed my bag and ready to hit the road. I had a bit of a look at a map while I was having breakfast, and it's definitely not a 120 kilometre round trip today. It's more like probably 40, 50. I think I was thinking about going to Loman Thang, where I originally wanted to go to, but it's $500 for a permit, so yeah, I had to give that a miss. But yeah, I checked the bike over, cleaned the air filter, checked all the major nuts and bolts, and everything seems pretty good. So Jomsom, find some fuel, and then we'll head on to Kagbeni. Stopped here in Jomsom, do my second permit and get some fuel. Little sign over there that says petrol, so head over there and fill up. So I've got my 4 litres of petrol. I'll put it in the bike and then rock and roll. So that little town down there in the distance is Jomsom, where we just left, and just following this valley up to Kagbeni. I'm not sure if I'm on the right road. There's just little tracks and things everywhere, so I'm just sort of following the most well-worn one. Yeah, we'll see how it goes, but I'm pretty sure if I just follow this valley I'll get to Kagbeni, so we'll give it a whirl.
I just rounded that corner, came upon this site. Absolutely beautiful. I'm not sure if this is Kagbeni or not. I'll head down and have a look around. If not, we'll keep going, but wow. It's just like something, it's like a painting or something. It's just so beautiful. Alright, so I think I've come the wrong way. Looks like a bit of a dead end. I might just see if I can get back onto the main road down this way, or if I have to turn around. Yeah, I think I better turn around. Bummer. So that little village that we saw, that I came to the dead end in, was actually Kagbeni. I'm going to stop here and have a bit of a wander around. Az told me about this place here, Yak Donald's, and apparently they do a big yak burger. So yeah, I feel like a coffee. I could probably got a little bite to eat, so I'll go and grab a coffee and see if they're cooking up the big yak yet, and if they are, I think I'm going to have to try that for sure. So that was Yak Donald's. I didn't see the big yak on the menu, so I just got a really nice organic Himalayan coffee. And now, yeah, we'll go for a little walk around Kagbeni and then head off to Muktinath. That's a little look around Kagbeni. Beautiful little town. Stone buildings, obviously still a fair bit of the traditional way of life. There is quite a, well-built tourist infrastructure here. So many people are coming to do the Annapurna circuit, but that's life, that's progress. But it's still a beautiful, beautiful town, I must say. Now to Muktinath. Alright, so I started heading off to Muktinath. Oh god, maybe 400 meters up the hill. I had to turn around and come back, find some flat ground, because I'm having that same issue with the bike. So this time it's worse. As soon as I crack the accelerator, it pretty much bogs down and stalls. So I don't know, because I cleaned the air filter this morning. Maybe I'll check the carby again, but yeah, I don't know, it's not fantastic. But we'll have a look and see what happens.
You just wanna drink your wine and grab the glass and let it go down.
Alright, well I checked the air filter, which was completely fine as I thought. Pulled the carby apart, cleaned out the jets a little, emptied the fuel, seems to be working fine again, so yeah, I'm not sure what's going on. I did notice that this bit of rubber here sort of come off a bit on the other side. It seems to be about 5 millimeters too short. I'm not even that, maybe like 3 or 4 millimeters too short. Just won't quite fit snugly. So I've got it on as well as I can make it fit. And yeah, I'm just trying to decide whether I'll head to Muktinath or head back. I really want to see Muktinath, but I don't really want to be doing too much more work on the bike either, so I don't know. I'll pack up and see how I feel once I've packed up. So I've had a little think. I really want to see Muktinath, so I'm gonna head up. I'm just gonna take it a bit easier, ride a bit slower. Hopefully that'll avoid any problems. So yeah.
But I can't hold you any longer. I can cope 'cause you're a story. I wake up feeling even smaller, even when the storm is over. Was it all in my head? Did we try too hard and lost it all instead? Was it?
Yeah, so I really wasn't expecting to find beautiful sealed road up here, but it's alright. Takes some of the adventure out of it, I suppose, but it's probably good with the bike playing up the way it is. That gentleman down there that I stopped at before, he was collecting a road tax, so must help pay for the road. 20 rupees per bike, so that's fair enough. But yeah, I mean, yeah, progress.
On me, oh, you backed away so far I couldn't see how far you drifted away.
Alright, so that's Muktinath down there. Little village up here in the Himalayas. I think I'm just going to cruise down, grab a bite to eat because I'm pretty hungry. Yeah, so let's go do that. Alright, just going to pull up here. Have a little something to eat. Namaste. Namaste. Alright, so lunch has arrived. I got some veggie fried rice, which is very good. And I thought I'd better try this dish I've been seeing on a few menus since I've been up this way. It's yak momo. So I like momos, and this one's a yak, so we'll give it a go. That was really good. Probably similar to beef, and seasoned with like onion, garlic, chili, a few other things I'm not sure of, but yeah, it's really tasty actually. I don't think these will be my last yak momos. I'm gonna finish my lunch, and then we'll might walk up the hill. There's some sort of building up there. Looks like a little statue or something, so go and check that out. So I walked up the top of the hill to this, I think it might be a gompa or something, and amazing views back over the valley. Really quite something else. Nick killed me getting up here. I think the altitude is taking out of me. I think we're about 3,700 meters here, but yeah, well worth it for the view. Okay, so I'm back at the bike, geared up, ready to go. So yeah, we'll head back now. Should be a nice ride. Very annoyingly, I just broke the bottom bracket thing off my GoPro case. So there will be no more riding footage today, unfortunately. Hopefully I can get another one in Pokhara. Them's the brakes. So I was talking to these hikers in my hotel yesterday when they were talking about the wind. And now I know what they're talking about. It is insane. I'm standing out on this suspension bridge. And the whole thing is shaking and moving. And I feel like it could be blowing off at any second. So I think I'm going to head back up there. It's utterly crazy. Alright, so I was just cruising up this road here. Looks alright. Better than most of the roads today. And then I had to come to a pretty sudden stop. Yeah, she's obviously still being built, or there's been a landslide or something, so I think I'll have to turn around. Looks like that's probably the way I came this morning. It's always confusing up here, just little tracks going off everywhere, there's no signs, you just sort of, yeah, have a guess, and I definitely guessed wrong this time. Alright, so I'm back in Jomsom. Put another couple of litres in the bike. That should be right to get me back to civilization tomorrow. Yeah, I'll probably just head back to where I'm staying, get changed. Might head into the little village near where I'm staying, Marpha. A road actually passed it this morning. It looks beautiful, so I think I might go for a little walk and check that out. But awesome days riding and awesome views to cap it off, so can't really complain. Yeah, so I came over to Marpha. Beautiful little town. It's just built into the side of the mountain here, sort of up in levels. Yeah, I can just imagine little villages like this dotted all over these mountain sides. An ancient way of life still. Down there, there's like the roofs of all the buildings on the level down. They got the walkways and that on top of them, so. I reckon these must be the cows with the best view in the world, eh? So on either side of the village, they've got these little entranceways with the prayer wheels. I actually rode my motorbike through one on the other end, so I'm not sure if that's completely kosher, but I might push it through next time. for making a good movie for me. Over in. Cheers. Thank you. A little look around Marpha. Beautiful little town. Probably my favourite of all I visited today, actually. Ended up buying a new ring off a Tibetan lady here who lives in the Tibetan refugee camp just near here. Her parents fled Tibet over 28 years ago, because she was 28 and was born there. Now they live here in the refugee camp, and she rents a shop here and sells handicrafts. So yeah, it was a nice place to buy a ring. I'm gonna head back to the hotel, have some dinner, and then I think the festival's on tonight, so I might come back. We'll see how I'm feeling, but yeah, beautiful little town.